Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here, and I'm here with another video on Kage Airdrop. So Kage Airdrop just recently made some announcement that their wallet connection will be ending very soon, and their snapshot will be taken on the 20th of January 2024. So as you can see here, what I have to do now is allow geolocation. So I'm just going to do that and active scanning. This is basically it. If you are participating in this airdrop, if you haven't, just use the link in the description. So this is my total chips balance. Chips is the token that will be given, and they will use it to calculate the amount of airdrops that you'll be allocated to. So that's what it is. So you go to this place down here where they show this wallet down. So as you can see, they say claimable balance is 0, so they will calculate this airdrop based on the balance that you have. So that's basically it. And if you scroll down, you see connect your wallet. So this project is actually listed on Sui. So what you have to do is connect your Sui wallet. So that's what I'm going to teach in this video. So once you click on it, you see this place right here. So you copy this link. You copy this link. The link up there, not that. The link up there, yes sir, right there. So you copy that link and you paste it on whatever browser that you want to use. So for me, I'll be using the MySys or the Mrs browser. It depends on how you pronounce it. So before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, and of course you can join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything airdrop. I dropped this update there early on, so of course they have an edge, and you can also use the link in the description to get free 25,000 chips, which of course will really boost you and will set you up for this airdrop. So what you have to do now is paste the link. So once you paste the link, if you haven't subscribed, of course kindly subscribe to the channel. So now you log in. If you want to create an account, you can also use your Google account directly to do it. So me, I personally use my Google account, so I'm going to try to use my Google account to log in. And after I did, they sent me a confirmation link. Of course, you go to your email address and you see the confirmation link that is sent to you. So they will send it to your email, of course. So after that, I've actually logged in successfully. So this is my dashboard. So basically these are the devices on which I'm mining, but is showing 0 because I'm only using one device, and it's just this one. So there is nothing else there. So what I have to do is, as you can see here, we are excited to announce that chip will officially be listed soon. Until the listing, token related activities will not be displayed on the dashboard. As you can see, that's the reason why there's nothing showing on the dashboard basically. So what you have to do now is go to this place. Once you go there and you scroll down, you see something like connect your rewards wallet. So that's basically what you have to do. You click on connect rewards wallet, and then they will take you up to a place. They say you should enter your email. Yeah, okay, I don't think this is a place. So you go back, and once you go back, you scroll and refresh the page. That's basically what I just did here. So I'll wait for you to open up, and okay, so now you can see add your wallet. So where they show add your wallet, you click on connect wallet. But what you have to do is different. So you have to add Sui to your extensions list of extensions. Of course, I'm using Mrs browser, remember. So I'll go to Chrome Web Store. As you can see, that's it. I already downloaded an extension already. So I'll go to Chrome Web Store. Once I click on it, I will now open it up. Then I will search for Sui. If you don't know Sui, like SUI and wallet. So SUI wallet. So that's what I will search for in the Chrome Web Store. Remember, Chrome Web Store has all extensions. So this is the Sparklight now, which of course I used to mine Sparkchain. So I will search for it right here, and once I see Sui wallet, I'm going to click on it. And then this is not the, I'm going to download the first one with that 4.9 ratings. So that's what I'm going to be downloading. So I will click on it. Once I click on it, it will open, and at the edge they will show me add to Chrome. So that's basically what I'm going to tap on. I'm going to add to Chrome. So I'll add to Chrome and I'll wait for it to download. Okay, let me just remove this thing. Okay, it's already adding to Chrome browser, so I'll wait for it to download. Okay, it's adding to the browser, sorry, not Chrome browser. So I'm waiting for it to download. Then after that, I will actually go back to the Kage website. That's the cheap something.io. I will go back there. So after I've already done that, this extension is still popping up on my screen, so I will have to go back. I'll go to this cheapwireless.io. Okay, so what I have to do now is click on this connect wallet. As you can see, the extension is already showing. But okay, I forgot something. So first you have to import your wallet. That's, you have to create. You can actually create or import if you already have a Sui wallet. So I already have Sui wallet. I have a lot of Sui wallets, so I'm going to be importing. As I can see, this thing is not opening. I will have to wait a little bit and check if it will open. If it doesn't, I would use a different method. Of course, I'll use a different method by clicking on that place right here. As you can see, that place that shows arrow pointing up, I will create a different tab with the extension. So this is what will pop up, and you see where they say create a new passphrase account. So I will be using more options. Basically, create a new passphrase account if you don't have an account, but you can see import from passphrase rather. So I'm going to be importing. So I've already have an account, so I'll just, okay, as you can see, I've already imported my wallet, of course, my wallet passphrase. So I'll create an email, and then as you can see, I have imported it and my balance is showing. This is the wallet right there. So that's it. So I will now go back to the cheapwireless.io. Okay, that's it. I'll go back to the cheapwireless.io, and once I get there, what I will now do is to connect wallet. So I'll click on connect wallet. Basically, and then I'll select the Sui wallet that I've already imported. That's the second one. Yeah, so that one right there. So I'm going to select clicking, and it will open. Once it opens, okay, is this same page again? I don't know what is actually the problem today, so I'll have to do the same way I did the first one by clicking on that place up there, sorry. So I'll click on it, and once it opens a new tab with the Sui wallet, I will now connect. They will tell me to sign in basically. So I will see, as you can see right, down there you see connect. So I'll click on connect. It will take me to back to the cheap wireless, and I'll click on connect again because I have not actually signed in. I will sign in with my passcode. So I'll click on connect again and do the entire process again. I will save the wallet. So once I save the wallet, it will take me back to the Sui wallet website, and this is where I sign in. So as you can see, sign. So I will enter my email, of course, sorry, my password, and once I do, yeah, as you can see right there, my wallet has been successfully connected. So kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thanks for watching.